Now this is just my luck. Ron's Trains and Things competition is over, and I find the refrigerated car I'm looking for. And right now we got a train coming. We got the yellow light, so he's coming with caution. But yeah, this is my luck. I actually get to get this close to the very car I've been looking for. Now that the competition's over. But this is what they've done to these cars. As you see, they come like this now. All they done was ripped out all the old refrigeration unit and stuck a Thermo King in there, just like the rest of these guys. So wanted to show you that. Let's see if we can't get a few of these out here. We are on the tracks. Yeah, there's another one like it. Yeah, that's another one there. Same thing as the other one. Like I said, all they done was took out that old unit, stuck in a newer model unit. Alright guys, it's Easter Sunday, so I guess this is my April Fool's from the Lord. Like I said, this train's actually currently heading northbound out of Florida. So here shortly it's going to be arriving at its destination. I actually seen this earlier and I thought I missed it, and when I come through town I actually seen it sitting here. I said, well, let's get a picture of that. If you notice, they've let's see, yeah, they've left the footboards on these. See right there, they left the footboards on. Some very nice graffiti on this train. Sealed. A lot of orange juice in there, and there's that heavy rusting that I likes to get around my doors. See if that brake wheel's still up nice and high. Nope, they brought the brake wheel down. The brake wheel used to be way up there. They've relocated the brake wheel down here. Oh, guys, I'm not gonna walk up and down this whole track today. But I will go post up somewhere and see if we can't get a better picture of this. I know this is not going to go past me anytime soon because they're waiting for another train to pass from, oh hell, I don't know which way. I think it's coming, yeah, it's got to be coming from this way out of the bottleneck. If this one's going into the bottleneck, that other one's got to be coming out of the bottleneck. So let me go find somewhere and post up. Look at the size of the fuel tanks on that thing. Wow. And see if we can't get a picture of the next train coming by. All right guys, enjoy. got the mini-me with me today. And I'm not gonna say we're trespassing, but we are extremely close to the train at this point. Got us a couple good shots of the car we were looking for the competition. Not 100% sure which way this train's coming from, but we're gonna get off the tracks here and just set back and wait for it, and then catch this Tropicana juice train rolling out. And for all you Fallout fans, look at there, it's Fallout. Ain't that what the name of it is? Fallout Boy, yeah. Fallout. So I wish we could get a good picture of the other side of this train. No, we're not going to climb on it too awfully much, but we're going to sit right here in this little cut, wait for the train come by, get a picture of it, and we'll make a video of it. And then, like I said, we're going to catch this train moving out. This train's actually setting across almost my entire hometown right now, and hogging up all the tracks and the roadways. So hopefully this other one will be by pretty soon. I don't know if this conductor knows he can move this engine up a little further, and actually I can actually see the engines from here. They're just on the other side of that hill. You can't really see it from now. Like I said, it's my luck that I find this train today and don't have my my good camera with me. So, but all right guys, like I said, we're gonna sit back and wait, probably walk around a few of these cars, take us a few more pictures, some more of this graffiti. Got some nice looking graffiti on some of these cars, so hopefully as they move by slow we can get some pictures of some of the nicer graffiti. All right guys, hang tight. Picking up speed now. Yeah, you see what they done. Put it inside, tore out the old refrigeration unit and just put in that new stuff. That's Pan, that's two Pans. He likes this, don't he? All right, Pan, whoever you are, you're gonna get your name on the side of one of my cars, I guess. That's twice. Bogus. There we go. Oh, some nice work there, Art. Oh, pretty colors, pretty colors. Oh, look at this gem. Look at this gem. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Now, looky here what I just found laying beside the train tracks. This is what I call a picker. This is my ideal of a picker. Just got that Tropicana train. And most time you find you a good piece of railroad spike down here. Today, I scored a good piece of railroad track. Make a nice amble out of that. That's a great amble, guys. All right.